Biryani is one dish preferred by many, be it a family occasion or any function, the most preferred dish. Today, I'll be showing you how to prepare a very simple, quick, and a very tasty chicken biryani. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel Laddu and Mom for more such videos. So before we start, we need to wash the chicken and even we need to soak the rice. So first I have taken 1 kg chicken for this biryani. I have nicely washed it with water by adding turmeric and I've kept it aside. Next I have taken the normal Sona Masuri rice or the bullet rice. I washed it and I've soaked it for about 20 minutes. I'll be preparing biryani in this vessel. Now add about 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee and add the spices. I've taken bay leaf, cardamom, clove, cinnamon. All the quantity and the spices I'll let you know in the description box. Now fry this for about 10 seconds. Now I'll add the chopped onions. I've taken 3 large onions. Saute it nicely. You need to cook this onions till it is almost about to turn golden brown. While the onions are cooking, I'll keep water for boiling to cook the rice. Okay, the onions have started to turn golden brown. Let's add the ginger garlic paste and saute it nicely till there is no raw smell. Next, I'll add the green chilies. I've taken about 6 to 7 green chilies and I've slit it. You can increase or decrease according to your taste. Next, in goes the pudina leaf and the chopped coriander leaf and cook it till there is no raw smell. Now I'll add 1 big size chopped tomatoes, about 100 ml of curd, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder and 1 teaspoon of biryani masala and mix it nicely. I'm adding a handful of rock salt. You can add the normal powdered salt. You need to cook this nicely till the oil separates. Look at the color and the texture of the masala. Wow, it's looking very yummy. Now our water has started to boil. So let's add 2 green chili, 2 cardamom, a little chopped coriander leaf, salt to taste, and about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix it nicely and add the soaked rice and let it cook. We should not cook the rice 100%. It should be cooked for about 70 to 80%. Okay, now the masala has cooked very nicely and the oil has separated. Now let's add the chicken. As I have told you before, I have taken 1 kg chicken. Mix it nicely. Now let's check on our rice. Okay, now it's almost cooked. So let's drain the excess water from the rice and keep it aside. The rice is like almost 80% cooked. Okay, now the chicken has nicely mixed up with the masala and has started to cook. At this stage, I'll add 1 cup of hot water and I'll mix it nicely. Adding hot water increases its taste. Now I'll add about 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix it and close the lid. Do not add more water as chicken itself will leave a little water which will be enough for the cooking. It's almost 3 minutes. Let's check on our chicken. Wow, what an aroma. You get that satisfaction and content when you get this smell. The chicken has cooked nicely. Now it's time to add the rice. Okay, now layer the rice on top. Be a little gentle while adding the rice. Okay, now I'm done layering. Now on top of the rice, I'll be adding 1 spoon of ghee, a little pudina and coriander leaf. Cover and cook it on low flame for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's almost 7 minutes. Let's check how it's done. Wow, look at it, how beautifully it is cooked, and the rice has nicely fluffed. Now you need to lift the rice from the bottom rather than stirring it so that it does not get mushy. Look at it, how nicely each grain is separated and it's not sticking to each other. Nicely fluffed up and looking wow. Mix the rice gently as the rice should not break. Now it's time to plate. Serve it with raita and cucumber. The crunch will definitely elevate its richness. Our super yummy chicken biryani, no less than a restaurant style chicken biryani, is ready. Do try this at home and let me know your views in the comment section. Bye.